What's going on, everybody? Now listen, you guys know my name is Yusef Scott, also known as the Forex GOAT. I want to welcome you guys here to the So Darn Easy Forex movement, where I help people just like you to change your perspective on how you see the Forex market, change the way you process the Forex market, and also change the way you see the Forex market so that you can eventually trade the Forex market for profit. All right, that's what it's about, making money. All right, because I realized that there are a lot of people who are misinformed. There are a lot of people who are misguided. There are a lot of people who are unaware of how to look at the Forex market differently because they've only been taught one way. And that way, unfortunately, is not working for them because that misinformation, it was vital and unfortunately it wasn't good. So they're losing. So I'm here to change that tone in the Forex training and trading community. All right, I want to help people realize an easier way, an easier way, an easier way. All right, but listen, this video today, well, I'm not going to get into that yet. I'm not going to get into that yet. No, not yet. I got to tell you guys, thankful to have you guys here. I realize you guys could be on someone else's channel, but you're watching this video, so you're on my channel, and I want to thank you. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed to this video or this YouTube channel, get subscribed, and make sure you check us out on social media. All right? Now, I want to share something with you guys. Very serious. I know you guys watch me. I put out these videos, crushing the market. If you follow me on social media, I put out these videos every once in a while. Me crush the market here and there. But I want to let you guys know something. I do not want you all to think for a second that Forex is a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not. All right? You guys know that in order for you to make profit in these markets, you have to be familiar with how to trade. You have to be able to read the candles. You have to be able to read or just be able to read what's going on in the market. You have to know how to set the proper volume. All these things play a part in your longevity in the market, how long you stay in the market, how if you're going to be one who's going to be trading for years or you're just going to give up. You have to learn every component of trading the Forex market in order for you to survive. All right? But more importantly, I want to tell you guys the way that I trade the Forex market. You guys see, man, this guy, he's making all his money. Okay, that's good. But please know that I had to put in work. All right? And I just don't make that type of money because I'm trading on a $500 account or $1,000 account. There's risk involved when I'm trading that heavy because I have to have a certain account size to be able to trade that heavy. So please know that there's risks involved with this, okay? And it's a major risk. So I have to know what I'm doing. And it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Because before I put tens of thousands of dollars inside of some account, I have to know that my money is I feel at least halfway good with my broker, one. And then on top of that, I have to know how to trade, because I'm not going to fund my account if I don't know how to trade. It's like, why am I going to go and get a jet ski if I don't even know how to swim? Unless I had swimming classes lined up. But otherwise, why would I do that? It doesn't make sense. So check this out. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. I trade at the volume based on my account size. Just like you should trade at the volume, trade based on your account size. You have a $500 account, you trade based on the $500 account. When you decide to over leverage, increase your risk, increase your exposure, you have that radar on you. All right? When you do that, sorry, when they come looking for you, you're gonna be a part of that crowd. Hey, come on over here. Me, I'm gonna stay from under the radar. I'm hiding out. I'm ducking. I don't want them to see me. I would rather remain anonymous. All right? No stop loss, no take profit. You guys heard it. I've told you guys that already. But I'm just saying, I want to stay from under the radar. I don't want them to know what I'm thinking. It's bad enough when you use those things, stop loss, take profit, they have a way in to see, oh, I see what he's doing. Oh, now they don't know what I'm thinking. No, all they see is a trade. The most they're gonna know is, oh, he's expecting the market to go down. Well, he's expecting to go up. That's it. But as far as how far it's gonna go or how far I'm looking for it to go or whatever, nope. They'll never know. Because I'm looking at something, I'm looking at what they're looking at, and I'm gonna outsmart them because they can't outsmart me. They can't, you know? So I just wanna let you guys know, trading Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not anything where you should be, do not believe for a second because you see I'll open up these trades, and because of my volume size, you know, after a certain short period of time, the money racks up real fast. Please know that's my risk. That's my risk. That's my risk. All right? And do not think for a second you have to trade like me and trade heavy, because if your account doesn't stack up, if it's not weighted like mine is, you can't do that and survive in these markets. You may get lucky every once in a while. Matter of fact, you may get lucky for a whole month straight. But what happens when someone continues to do stuff, getting away with it when they know it's wrong, keep getting away with it, they're going to try to go a little heavier next time. They're try, well, you know what, I only took $20 from Uncle Rupert. And let me see if I can take 30 this time. I'm just gonna skim a little bit off the top. I ain't gonna know. And you take 30, and then you say, man, that was easy. Let me take 40. You take 40. Then next thing you know, you're taking 60. And now you're taking $100 now. So that's what happens. You keep getting greedy, and then eventually he wake up. Mike, what are you doing? And now you caught. Put your pants down. He's gonna get you too. He's gonna get you. You won't go back with a limp. I'm trying to tell you. So I want to just give you guys different analogies to let you know. Listen, you have to stick to the rules. If the person who's training you if they don't have a solid money management plan, then I don't know what to tell you. Because if you're over here with me, you're gonna need to follow a plan. If you don't follow a plan, hey, look, that's not on me. You know, you need to adhere to a plan and follow it. All right, and that is important in these markets. So I just want to let you guys know, if you see me trading heavy, it's because it's based on my account. And that's not your account, that's my account. So do not think for a second that, oh, you can do the same thing if you're trading on a much, much, much smaller account, or an account that's not as large as mine, I'll say. Because I don't know who's trading what. You know, I'm just saying, I don't want you guys who are brand new to trading Forex to think that, oh, we're gonna make this money overnight. It's possible if you learn how to trade. But if the reality is you're brand new, you may get lucky every once in a while, but you know what? You're better off learning how to trade. You're better off not funding your real account, trading on demo and practicing until you learn how to do it the right way. And then you can graduate to trade a little heavier. But make sure you add more money to your account. All right, listen, you guys, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Again, I'm Yusef Scott, also known as the Forex GOAT. You guys are not yet following us here or if you're not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, get subscribed. If you're not yet following us on social media, get subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.